Did you know the man Jesus healed at the pool of Bethesda went straight to the Pharisees and told them Jesus' name? 38 years. That is how long this man had been paralyzed, lying beside a pool he could never reach in time. No one helped him. No one carried him. Then Jesus walked past every other sick person at that pool and chose him. He did not ask to be healed. He did not even know who Jesus was. Jesus healed him anyway, on the Sabbath. The religious leaders were furious. They wanted Jesus dead, and this man had just handed them the name they needed. So here is the part that stops you cold. Jesus knew what the man had done, and he went looking for him anyway. He walked back into danger, found him in the temple, and warned him. The man said nothing. There is no gratitude recorded, no loyalty, no defense of the one who gave him his legs back. The text just leaves it there, and somehow that silence says more than any answer could.